Okay guys, I'm here where I found the sword belt keeper. It's the next weekend, so it's May the 28th. And right here I just got a high tone and I'm pretty sure it's a bullet hole. So it's pinpointing right about there. So I'm gonna pop it out real quick and see what it is. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Yep, there it is. Nice. Looks like a 3-ringer. Wow, that's cool. That wasn't deep at all. That was like 3 inches. Wow, it's a little banged up, but it's dropped. That's cool. Awesome. Okay guys, right there is where I just dug that 3-ringer. And right here in the plug, you can see the nose of another bullet. This one looks like a pistol bullet. Let's crack it free real quick. Yep. Nice. That's a good one too. Awesome. Okay guys, I think I got another bullet. It's about 6 inches deep. Down there in the bottom, pinpointing. So let's pop it out. Oh, actually, I see brass. Y'all see that? I see some brass right there. That may be a button. Man, it was ringing high. This may be something good. Okay, it's free. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow, a shotgun shell. Wow. Ha! That was ringing mid-80s on the AT Pro too. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, out of this hole I just got this nice flat button. It's a coat size, mid-1800s. It's just civilian, but this one probably is worn by a soldier just because I'm in a camp and there's no home sites around it. I just got a bullet signal that was screaming and about 3 inches deep. I just pulled out this nice skeleton key. That's really cool. The teeth are broken off on it, but other than that, it's whole. Wow, that's cool. It's a good sign. Awesome. Alright guys, I just got a mid-60s signal and popped out this Indian head penny. I already cleaned it off. The date's 1881. But it had to have been like ½ an inch deep, if that. Thought I was digging a zinc penny. But that just goes to show you should dig it all. Okay guys, I just flipped over the plug to that and just about had a heart attack because I thought it was a real spur, but it's just a toy spur, unfortunately. It looked really good when it was still in the dirt, but now that I get it out I can see it's made of zinc, which kind of sucks, but well, better than a pull tab, I guess. Alright guys, I just pulled this out of this hole. It's a screaming 83 signal. I've dug tons of cans today that sounded exactly the same, so I almost passed this up, but for some reason I decided to dig it. It looks like it's some kind of ladder badge. And this is the kind of thing that United Confederate veterans and Grand Army of the Republic veterans would wear. So this is really cool. I'm going to toothpick it. Well, I say toothpick, I'm going to use a stick on it. You can already see 1912 right there. Looks like there's a train on it. Huh, this looks cool already. It says National at the top. Okay, it says National Convention National Convention, B of LE. Then it says Harrisburg, PA, May 1912. So that's freaking cool right there. Wow. That's awesome. That's a really cool find. Alright guys, just found this nice thimble. It's a really old one. It's got to be 1840s or 50s, if not before. That's cool. Okay, I just got a decent signal ring in mid-70s. Right there you can see there's something in the dirt. Looks to be a flat button. Yep, that's what it is. Nice flat button. Nothing on the face. But that's really cool. It's got great patina. Alright, it's a good find. Okay guys, out of this hole, just got a pretty decent signal and out popped this nice wreath. First I thought it was a Confederate wreath, but it's just thin. Probably off a dress uniform or it's a sash buckle, one or the other. But definitely very old. Probably dates around the mid-1800s. So that's really awesome. Alright guys, from way down in there, that's a good 8 inches right there. Just popped out something round right here. Lead filled, it looks like. Looks like it's a nice rosette. Missing the brass face. That's really cool though. It's pretty thick. Huh, you can see where an attachment point was right there. But it's pretty cool. Maybe it'll have a design. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm here where I found the sword belt keeper and I came back to see if I could find the plate. And I just got like a shallow bullet signal and I turned over this claw here. And look at that, it's a frickin' US buckle. Oh my God. Jeez. Look at it. Wow. That is awesome. Dang. Let's break it loose. There we go. It's beat up, but I mean, it's a freaking plate. 2 hooks still on it. The other one's broken. Well, you can see where the other one was. That is awesome. Wow. I'm so excited. Wow, that's amazing. Oh my gosh. I thought it was just gonna be a bullet. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. There's gotta be more stuff in here.